Everybody needs to be doing exercise as you get older, and the older you get, the more sort of exercise you need, and also you have to do it properly. You know, various one thing pretty much as you get older, you don't want high impact exercise. So like walking is good, running is bad. You know, bicycling is good. Swimming is good. All of those non-impact exercise because impacts, you know, they're basically smacking your joints together, and you really don't want to do that. You want to have more less impact, like a bicycle that kind of goes round and round. So that's the first thing. But now we're getting our exercise. Well, C60 is great on this. You know, you got your exercise, you got your nutrition, and C60, it can do two things really. Well, obviously, it makes it inflammation, it DOMS, that delayed onset muscle soreness. So, you know, you aren't feeling as bad after exercising as you maybe would be if you didn't have C60. And of course, that would encourage you to keep doing the exercise because it gets rid of that inflammation. And the other thing is the stem cells. To maintain muscle mass, you need stem cells to go in there and help build your muscles, or especially cartilage and things like that, which C60 is also very good at. And of course, a third thing is your hormone levels. You know, for muscle building, testosterone is needed for guys, even for women. You need a certain level of testosterone, and that comes from the androgens, which are produced in your adrenal glands. Then those androgens go through your body, and depending on who you are, turns it into testosterone, estrogen, progesterone, whatever your body needs at that level. But so you got to have that base of androgens. And of course, the androgens come from pregnenolone, which is produced in your mitochondria. So you got to have healthy mitochondria. And healthy mitochondria are really the key to good cellular health. And that, of course, leads out to good health everywhere. So supporting your mitochondria by taking C60 is really the key to building the muscle mass, getting rid of those aches and pains, and snapping and popping. Of course, also don't forget a little bit of stretching before exercise can also help you in not so much snapping and popping.